Hey guys, we got this one where the lady told me it was not keeping up this morning, and this happens to be one that we installed a while back. It's been some years, so let's see what's going on. Alright, so this is a 2018, so maybe it wasn't as old as I thought. That compressor kind of sounds like it's hissing, don't it? Let me see, I got one power supply. Pulling 10 amps. Compressor don't sound right, like it's hissing. Whew. Yep, that compressor was internally bypassing, which makes me think my blower is not running. So let's look into that real quick. Nope, my blower is not running. I think this is definitely going to be under warranty. So yeah. All right, let's see if it's motor or module. Okay, the blower just came on, and I've just been getting access to it. All right, that's all the way over on one. Because this motor's running, I'm pretty dang sure this is the module. Yep, we're getting a call. y'all, watch this. Just a second ago that showed 20 volts across from here to here, so that tells me it's not the motor, it's the relay. Let's replace this relay. I know it's not doing it right now, but I did catch it. Nothing. Alright. And I don't know what that is on top of that relay, but I don't like it. Makes me think moisture or something's been getting on it. All right. I got no idea what was getting on that. Let's jump from red to green real quick. Come on. Make sure our blower comes on. It does. Let that cycle off. We'll do it again. Okay, what I was testing, what I found is 24 volts across the bottom means that these top two should close and it should show 0 potential. I tested across here, I had 25 volts. I tested across here and I had 20 volts. So that told me the relay was bad. But afterwards I couldn't get it to do it again. I'm not real sure why we have a relay here, unless we're going to get a signal here from our heat strips. That must be what it is. We must have a low voltage hooked up here somewhere. But you don't need a relay. You can put this on a different tap or something. It just seems, why have a relay when you don't need one? Okay, just as I was getting ready to pull off on this one, that blower stopped again. Let me see if I can go get a module. Because right now it should be pulling in the heat strips. And my heat strips had stopped working because the blower wasn't working. They are now, so let's go get a module for this. I'm back on this one to do this module. First, let's I'm gonna put this contactor, plug it back up, and so that way when this comes on here in just a second, we'll be able to check pressures. I hope that compressor's had time to cool off. The reason I'm not replacing the whole motor is because the motor was running, so I know. Oh, I'm going to take the top off. So I know the motor will run as long as it gets the right signal to run. I might have to put something on that. The whole thing's coming off. Fantastic. All right. Make sure that's turned off. this is going to be common. This is going to be one of my power wires. Ground. And my other power wire. And my 24 volt signal goes in on 1. I did one the other day where 1 was the only one that would allow it to run. I replaced the motor and I just couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, and it's because I didn't have my 24 volt green wire on the right terminal. So if this is like those other ones, that number 1 terminal is the only one that works. All right. I got to do something about that. Okay. Let's see if we get a call for heat or even the heat strips. All right, I just heard the blower come on. Let's check our amp draw real quick. All right, we're at 1.7 amps, so just the blower's on. Okay, I got 1 heat strip on. Blower is running. Let's see if one of these other heat strips will come on. Blowing cold air out the top. Another heat strip's going to come on. Looks like she's got at least 2 here. All right, we got our heat pump working in 1 heat strip. I'm afraid the blower stopping may have damaged the other strip. Or burnt a fusible link or something. Alright, so let's check it out. Only got one strip working. Alright, that one's not pulling any amps, so it's got a fusible link. Alright, I don't know which one is the fusible link and which one is the heat strip. We're about to find out. All right. These happen to be the kind of fusible links. You can look at them and tell if they're blown. And there you go. We got a blown fusible link. No, I don't think I have one of these with me. But I can get one. That's a Warren heat kit. That's one of their fusible links. This is the fusible link. Unfortunately, I had to go pick one up, but I got a bunch of them when I did. Oh, come on. All right. Let's make sure we don't have any power first. I did have to go get me some new leads, at least I did, because I felt like I was having difficulty with my meter. No power. No power. No power. All right, the one that's in question is right here. would be great if they'd make these where you could change them without having to remove the heat strips. Well guys, that one turned out okay. If I had paid more attention to the heat strips the first time I was out there, I wouldn't have had to make a third trip. But I did, and we got her going, and it happens to be a good customer of ours. So she's happy. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Let's go!